anyway, we're moving right along. Like I said, I'm on my second load, only 2 loads on Tuesday, so the stops are a little bit more spread out, but that's all right with me. I got all day. I did post up some videos yesterday, guys. They're probably up on the channel right now if you want to go check them out. Just to let you know, if anybody knows of any mechanics, heavy machinery operators, IWS is hiring right now. We definitely need mechanics and heavy machinery, heavy equipment operators, and we are also looking for drivers. So if you are interested, or if you know anybody that's interested in working for a great company, just reach out to IWS on their Instagram page or on their Facebook page. Like I said, I've been here, I'm going on 10 years with IWS, and I got no intentions of leaving at all. I hopefully plan on retiring with this company, and it's a good place to be, let me tell you. I like it here, I really do, but I'm the kind of guy that doesn't mind getting up early in the morning. I don't mind getting out here in the cold, in the heat, in the rain. You know, it's part of the job. As far as the equipment, it's all top-notch quality equipment. All pretty new Freightliners, Max, or Peterbilt front loaders. So we pretty much got a nice selection of trucks in different categories. You got front loaders, roll-offs. You got the tractors, Freightliner tractors for the tractor trailers. And then you got your crane carriers, garbage trucks. So we got a big variety of trucks, and we're always looking for drivers. Not only in New Jersey, but also Connecticut, and also New York City, and New York State. About the Peterbilt that I also liked about my Mac, it came with a 3-stage brake, okay? Engine brake, Jake brake, whatever you want to call it. Now look, we're going down this steep hill, right? Now it's pretty steep, it's got a good slope to it, it's got a good grade. So right now I'm going to get off the gas, okay? I'm not even touching the gas pedal. I'm not even touching the brake pedal, okay? I got a good load on. And right now, the Jake brake, the engine brake is holding me back. I'm not doing anything with my right foot at all. The engine brake is holding me at 30 miles an hour. And there's one thing about the new engine brakes, Jake brakes, whatever you want to call it. It's actually called an electronic Jake brake. It's not loud, you don't even know it's on. It's not like the old school trucks where you knew the engine brake was on. You're gonna hear it coming 2 miles away. And I kind of miss that, I like that. But anyway, it really does a good job. It holds you back on that hill. You know what I mean? But when you come close to the bottom, I see there's a light coming up. Just get ready to, you know, hit the brakes lightly. You know, you don't have to stab the brakes. Just steady pressure. So now the light is still green, We got enough speed that we're able to stop. And now we can keep going. So yeah, the engine brake is a great application on any truck. I firmly firmly believe it should be on every truck because it's number one, it saves the brakes. All right, you're using the engine to slow down the truck, and it's just a good thing to have. Especially today, the new trucks. You know what? You know you can pack a good load out there. You can put in 16 to 18 tons on a garbage truck, and that's a lot of weight. It's nothing to fool around with. So to have that engine brake coming down these hills, or just basically to help the truck slow down. It's a good thing, and it's like I said, it's less wear and tear on the brakes. I've been driving this truck now, this new Peterbilt. June will be 2 years. Okay, so I've had it what, a year and 5 months, a year and 4 months, something like that, and haven't touched the brakes at all. Nothing. Still the brakes that came with the truck. So it all depends on the driver, how the driver drives the truck, how he is on the brakes, whether he's a Speedy Gonzales driver or he's a conscious, take your time driver, no matter where you are. And that's the way you got to be. You got to take it slow. You got to be safe. You got to see what's going on around you. Me, I'm in no rush. There's no need to be in a rush. I take my time. I take it slow. I look around me. I see what's going on. Right now, I do not want to make this right because I got a lot of traffic coming from my left. So I wait. And that's the best thing to do. That's the safest thing to do. Just wait. So now we got the green light. So, like I said, I do like the Peterbilt. I like the Mack too. I'm not knocking the Mack, but the Peterbilt's a very comfortable truck. It's all on air ride. Comes with a lot of bells and whistles. And in case you didn't know, this is my first Peterbilt ever, and also my first brand new truck ever. So thank you, IWS. I appreciate it. Section, what I call my route. Slow and steady, man. Slow and steady. That's how I like to do. No sense of being in a rush. It's another good thing about IWS. You get paid by the hour. You get paid for every hour that you work. Also on Friday, they have direct deposit, so it goes right into your bank account, which I like. I love that. around here on these local streets, usually the speed limit is 30, 35. Right now I'm doing 31. Town of Norwood, New Jersey.